What's up, family? It's the BuiltbyYO crew on Rio.
Jew. Will Degrees, Mike.
Darth.
Let go, man. Look, we used this product previous, and y'all seen what the 6'8 Camaro did, man. This brand is called ACES, man. We stand behind them, man. We F with them. So look, we finna unbox this product and show y'all what we're working with.
All right, so like my bro Yo said, we done partnered with ACES in the past. And for this, we already kind of knew like what setup we wanted to go with. So this is a multi-port Big Block Chevy intake and setup. So let's open it up together. So we got this set up, and it's actually going on this 66 Chevelle with a 502 Big Block in it.
Ooh.
So let's see what else we got. It's good looking intake.
Ooh. That's a great looking intake.
These are the supporting parts for it. This the harness. It come with everything you need so it'll run right. They're for all the folks that like their conventional motors but want an up-to-date look and some more power. One of these kits, it'll get you right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What you got?
Come with the fuel pump.
Fuel pump.
About to turn the old Big Block up, right?
Oh yeah.
Turn that Big Block up. Y'all seen what that Big Block did, man, on Burnout Wednesday when we took it up the hill. But y'all didn't know, but that carburetor was tripping just a little, you know what I'm saying? But now, when we put this up to date stuff on there, we finna turn it up again for you. So be there.
And see, this intake right here is actually for our next build, which is gonna be a 68 Cutlass with a 572 Big Block in it.
Show that boy. Turn it around a little bit, Juke. Show a little something. Yes, sir. That's flawless there. Agent stamp everything. Yeah.
7-inch Pro Dash.
Come with a screen, new screen for them old motors.
Hey, that 572 and that 6'8 gonna go crazy. Y'all ain't seen much of that yet, but ooh, it's gonna be crazy. Might put Juke behind the wheel, man. Little scared though, you know what I'm saying? But hey, we're gonna put Juke behind the wheel, see what him, hey. He gonna drive. He might go through, my dog might go through one of these bays, but it's okay. It's okay.
So this one,
You know, what one we had on the 6'8? It was a jetpack?
it was a jetpack.
Yeah.
And see, that one is really just a throttle body.
Just thought about it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But see, this one right here, it's got injectors and everything in it.
Okay.
So it's almost like, just like a carburetor, except it's electronic.
Gotcha.
Let's get the unboxing of the other box.
Let's go.
Let's see what we got.
What you got?
You got your fuel lines, all your fittings,
Okay.
your fuel filter.
There it is.
Next box we got 7-inch screen,
Oh, yeah.
big screen,
Yeah. Okay.
fuel pressure regulator
Yes, sir.
with the gauge. These fuel injectors, 80-pound fuel injector.
No, not 80.
Yeah, for that big block.
Big block, man. That's a big block.
All 8.
Make sure you got enough fuel.
You got it, all right. When dealing with agents, they gonna make sure you got it all.
Make sure you don't need nothing else.
And then when you call them, they gonna answer the phone. That's why I love them, guys.
O2 cents.
Yeah, what you know, Juke?
Self-tune, you know, it's self-tune.
Talk to him, Juke.
Another O2. Self-tune. This is the scribble. You know, with all that gas, you're gonna need
You gonna need
some
it.
good spark.
You gonna need that spark. Oh yeah.
And here you got your computer, your harness, cable to tune it, the most fuel line fee. Well, that's fuel pressure sensor. Complete kit.
Got everything.
Everything you need to get your car running right.
So this our last box. We're gonna go through and see what we got going on. Let's see what we got. Oh. Okay, so we got 102 millimeter LS throttle body
Okay.
for the intake.
Ignition coil. You got the in-tank fuel pump, so you can get rid of that inline pump.
Okay. It's a complete kit. Told y'all when we said complete kit, them boy got the complete kit.
They give you everything.
You got your fuel line.
Shoes, you got PTFE line. Oh yeah.
yeah.
E85 safe.
All your fittings.
Literally everything you need. That's it. Sure, that's it. Y'all like to subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates, man. We want to thank ACES for partnering with us. It's time to get to work, man. Let's get it, man. We got all our parts right here. Let's do it.